Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming you're signed into the correct Outlook account and that mail and calendar sync are active. Once done, decide what the QR will point to: a meeting invite, contact vCard, or a shared URL, because that changes export steps. Prepare the content now: subject lines, times in local time zone, attendee emails, and any attachments. Make sure calendar times use correct AM/PM or 24-hour format, so recipients don't misread the event timing. You create the meeting, contact, or message inside Outlook with all details filled in, then export the item. For events use save as IX for contact use, VCF, and for links copy the URL. Once exported, locate the file on disk and open it to verify fields display correctly. If you're sharing a URL, shorten or clear UTM parameters for cleanliness. After verification, compress multiple files into a single ZIP or host the file where public access is allowed. So the QR will point. You now use a QR generator. Paste the public URL or file link, choose high error correction, and generate the code in PNG or SVG for printing. Once created, test the QR with your phone camera and a second device to confirm the IX or VCF downloads and imports into calendar or contacts correctly. Share the QR in email, slides, or printed handouts. If something goes wrong, check file permissions, URL encoding, and regenerate the QR after fixing access so recipients can open the item reliably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.